Okay guys, namamkela swinene ka nongonoko wa hina wa Nkanelo Gingirikani, vito ra mina Mandla Gingirikani wa ka Mashava. We are at the main house. Finally, I'm here, Mama Eggy.
Welcome.
Yes. I'm not saying I'm Africa Mativo.
Really? But I like Minani Stiva Kurutata because I know you love me. Like you cannot even hide it to the public. You love me, you love me, you love me.
And this is the thing, because how am I gonna do this? It's gonna be very difficult for me to interview you, honestly speaking. That's why I want us to have a chat.
Okay.
I don't like this interviews thing. So guys, let's pack the interviews out. Let's put it aside right now. We're going to have a chat with Mama AGGY MABEDLHE. Mara michoro kuri Agnes man.
Ni AGGY Baloyi.
I Agnes.
No, and Labra Agnes. You know, I hate my name so much. Look, really, man.
Why?
That's why I know AGGY. You know, and unfortunately, money by tema vita shlungu inkweru. I nama vita changani inkweru. And I chua imlungu wabona a Rosebank abatira makishin. So each time look bar pregnant back isoli Lawrence Richard Maria AGGY
job.
So yeah, I'm AGGY Baloyi.
Mukulela kwi?
At Diepkloof.
You were born where?
Diepkloof.
Okay.
Born and raised Diepkloof.
At Diepkloof. So wait.
Yebo.
So you have no connection Giyani, Limpopo and all that?
The only connection that I have, Ikuri, the parents come from Kamdabula. My father is from Atlangelan, Kamgwamban. And then my mom, Ingwa Mashamba, Wakashosani. But yeah, because of Papa was working Alexandra Batamakona, and then money followed. I think it was 1950 when she came and stayed with my dad. Yeah, so abazang batlhelela bayaba na makaya na style. No, abazang badiwa ijoni percent ako abadiwa ngi joni, but I think they like the lifestyle and nakuri Joni, like that's where people they come and make money.
True.
So it was their chance to work. Like yeah. So
little your schooling was done in Gauteng, all of it?
No, not all of it. Nisungule shkolo a Diepkloof primary school, high school loku sekutaba na swati swamzabalazo swayini, and then mani bak yana kashosani even ya John Bedle. That's where I studied. I think I could standard 8 na standard 9, and then the following year asin baka matric nyanhlalukweni, and then nyanhlalukweni like I think in Ningenile Mberai 1. It was a matric, yes.
Matric,
yeah, it was a matric. Then ilananga complete akona. Ibukuma kuri anto mesangi ibo maths na science. Then I had to come back.
Nkarlo abaku yini loku minga mesangi maths na science. I need to show my cleavage.
Andi, but akuri exemption, but angasizani aningari akungari that what I wanted, because anga accept you got technical because of scoring, and then I had Gurnita ni Rijua. Yes.
Out of all people. Are you serious?
So yeah, I had to come back and then do my matric again at Deepdale, which is at Diepkloof. So that's where it went very well.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
So yeah.
So then lokumisuka ka high school mimi donda tanjani so kui.
Okay, niya register TUT akur TNT akusunguleni.
Technical Northern Gauteng.
Yes.
Is it mina la Steve leswa.
And then asosha ngove anlabe kwenda medical technology. Where we dealing with chemistry. Unfortunately, in Karloa, like lokuti funds ungarna tona, unlike today, loku uraba mal, you can still go and study. But I had couldn't drop out because of manabanga fikileli hiti funds nakuba nikantama ashkolweni. I think yeah, ningene 4 months, even buyan tanta tamakar.
Talking about the lack of funds right now, so kuna vana va nga ka ti-matric they also drop out as well maka ku pfumaleka ka timali ti-bursary and all those things. N'wina challenge ya n'wina ku ri mali as well. Who was responsible for that ka family ya ka n'wina?
My mom actually, he raised way money as a single parent. She tried very hard. Like bakaba shabisa susama jumble sale. That's why I mean bonan samansa sekile kuri say boots amina and then makaba shabisa sfaki. But later on the year, she had to go at bank. Ayabulabla na balungu. Bakaba blabla changani and say must even nangwana mara. And then ibiba bulabla na bona ako okay. Ngona mnupase metric mara ankotu kungisa shkulwini. Then I was given a scholar Lishwanin loan, like ban lombela mali,
basari
yes,
yeah.
Sort of, because she was banking there for the longest time. And then after that, I got a net fee in Karwalo. Maybe I think you could PEM bank and then you could net bank. So, and then about a relationship, like my mom and Taku abatlarili because of abakotakuri. Like whatever money labor yendla ishfaki or jumble sale every month she'll go and put something.
Magashfaki is not funny, Mara. It's so funny. So black would
yes. It made me who I am today. I'm not apologetic about me going to Abri Street. You see Bri Rank. I grew up there. All of us, we grew up there, Abri Street. Because mani loko bakombela mali ya tintangu abakunika mbawula.
Haibo
baku famba shabisa shifaki. Then utabwe bakuhlayela baku shabisa. By then shifaka kuri 2 rand.
Yeah.
And then bakuhlayela baku nukunike madazini ya 5. This is how much you gonna dozen. It means 12, 60 years fake. By expect 120 and aungataba roba. Yes, so that's how smart she was.
So I just love Magash because it's interesting because look if you can na Abel Vurvai man egiwaf kwa ni kasabuta. So idile and akurnash fagi like so clearly,
yes. So it wasn't easy, to be honest, because when you are a child, ukaukurisiwa and then ukumakuru mileka stage lesha kurisiwa ke high school. And then bakleka shkulwini. Kuryo tengi sumbila yini. I think I once said kuri mani like aseniti fihla lokukuriti Saturdays. Lokunbona kuri hayi lo angena na yena classini because anera se remix antatumbela man bakasislo yini why utumbela look man balihleka esikolweni Monday because of say we back to reality man baku no why bakuhleka you making money la loko ba utsamekaya nothing will happen.
Ni jireni maka ya majumble se ni vona mbale roko la isa second roko ya n'wina man Aggy. Ani swi tivi ku ingaba ku roko cheaper kumbe ku roko durana mara isa second roko leyiwani and ni la ku mi byela la ku ri what is the relationship you have with clothes?
Yo, it's from Tuka. I will say angaboli. Okay, Mina, I have a strong relationship with very in Lapi. And then Lapi like anrandi kuri ni kurisiwe majumbo sale nranda kuri akaya kuri na boutique.
Okay, yes.
Clothing boutique where like lokuba khaba famba ba reila bo ma Cape Town money lokuba buya na sona Sumbalu what abataba ban pakirila tlhelo baku lesiswa AGGY leswana because she knows how like I love to be nice always. Mina naloku kuma wapfumala anfumala nban basile yeah, so majumble sale that boutique so namonhla naloku minibona nkhani mbala so makule sileswana and it's not about the price tag on the like I don't wear labeled clothes because I don't want kuri phela xilo xinga cheaper ukuma kuri xa kufanela or xilo xi durha xi nga kufanele. so
na ku va munhu a kota ku dyondza ku mechisa
hayi kwalano hi ta pfula xikolo so the color blocking hayi color block hi machangana of course
ta va komba ku
ta va komba
mechisa ifane mechisa na le le handle le xelendeni
yes it's very important you know
yes.
I love clothes so much and funny enough I don't buy as like more often no like things that I have in my wardrobe I swap it around yes.
But are you more of a shoes person? Like is it something?
I love my heels.
Yes,
I love my heels. I love my heels. You know what? Yeah. It's like my flat. It like it hits my lishwan barin surrender.
Yeah.
So I love my heels.
You like that feeling?
I always
step.
Yes, and I feel like a lady man. Look,
the queen of the main house is coming. Okay, ita swivula hi swona swa the main house mara ni la ku mi byele ka loan leyi mi nga yi kuma eka lava va financial services man ka lava ti bank ni byele ni ku mi dyondza yini lani and then
okay mina ni endla electrical engineering a ni rhandza vele ku tirha hi swilo swa mavoko and you know loko wa ri ntsanana like ti career ta hina a ti fani na sweswi a ti ri limited ku it's either you become a doctor or a lawyer you know swa vo ti-psychologist na hina swi tele mara swi nga talangi ngopfu you know and then like or engineering so mina a ni ri munhu wa ku ni la ku tshama ni kha ni lunghisa vo ti-plug yini then na loko a yi ni onhekile ni ta lava ku hlanganisa yes then a ni ta endla so and then I saw and a ni ri inquisitive ku ri why xi lexi ni fanele xi layita what make this thing you know and then
you were good in mathematics.
Yes, I'm still smart even today.
Really?
Yes, I'm good with numbers.
And then man game from the video net. What was fail
yeah, no. Like with maths and science, I had my childhood neighbor. I'm proud to mention Wilson Mangani. Yeah, like he really taught me maths. Yena akuru laba the student later very smart banga sponsoriwa from high school baya ka skolo leswati matricial at St. Luke's and then yeah but when he comes back ani dondisa maths like ukuma kuri ndeka standard 8 form 1 form 1
standard 8
form standard 6
standard 6 in form 1 yes
and then
standard 8 is form
3 yeah and then awukuma kuri ni endla maths ka standard 6 and then mara ni ya dyondzisa vanhu va ka standard 9
already
in maths yes that's how smart I was in maths
so I'm not dokodela or something.
Yeah, it's a topic for another day but my friends are specializing Bobo Gabriel Makubele Borulani Shibori. They are back in Limpopo. I had like brothers.
Those were your
my brothers, close friends. Laba abagopa kamina. Today they are
before go
No, they know. I've made a lot of videos talking about them. They benefited from me because I knew science and maths. Yeah, today I'm talking about the architectures.
Yeah. Talking about these people, because I hear the names you're dropping. They are mostly male names.
Yes.
Did you have female friends in high school or were you, was it boss?
No.
You were a bully or something like that?
No, not really. I think my character irritate people. Because mina I'm loud and you know if urinonyan wala baku leshwana you know yes so I'll find myself in a group of boys you know and then like and aswar samani bakumara egi what's happening in one because I didn't have munulo anga close na mina bi ashkolweni akaya and then but la a diploof nina childhood friend ya mina kunganeli Malinga and then yeah loku ngithochara ngwana luya she knows me in and out yeah we grew up together but like loku uri xikolweni, obviously you'll find a different group of people.
But you were more acquainted with boys.
With boys.
Yeah.
Yo, like it's like anranda kugwarana, because kugwarana ibula kuri.
That is so you. Nothing has changed.
Kugwarana, it started when I was bullied. Lokunari
you were bullied.
I was bullied because of my lips and nantima. And then everything, hi lo mtana lo my lips lo in and then nantima, hey, she's like amashangan vela mnyama, you know. And then ukumakuri antabantsike xikolo because of bullying. But because I had a strong mother, and then lokuntsutuma ni vuya ukuma ni khanerila nukumani vanhleka veri mina nomo wa mina yini mani va ku una wona nomo, and then u endla yini u sasekile famba u tata vaseline, you know. Gobo lexa xa xibaketani xa yellow. And phela like yeah nukuya, and I'll hate myself the way I looked. But because I was clever axikolweni, and I'll go back axikolweni tibyela ku ri namuntlha hi mina ni nga ta ku gwaring kusungula, and a va ni chava hi tigwaring because of groupa na vafana ne hayi a ni ta ku gwara ivi u nga u rivala wena u ta ni gwara hi tilips ntsena, but mina ni ta ku gwara 10 gwaring u nga vuyangi.
This Janet, because the like Guara, I can't imagine being a Tsonga and going through this thing in a township school in Soweto at that time. How was it?
Yes, it was difficult. You know, with us, section ya hina a Diepkloof yi divide wile. Kuna Diepkloof ya Machangani, Diepkloof ya Mazulu, Diepkloof ya Mazvenda.
Yes.
You know, hina na Mavenda I think I rinda unye one abasutwini. So. So like iloku ya xikolweni xa le Diepkloof a Khomanani a kuri Machangani ntsena. But a u ta kuma ku ri lava nga thona ba Mazulu ba joina hina. So we are more in that school, like aba, you know, outshine, so ababina power. But xin'wana remember loko ku xibihile umubi njengexangani, loko uthakile ungcole njengexangani, loko untimile umnyama njengexangani. And it was just generalizing, like, you know.
Okay, so but now you work ka company le kulia tumakatama gezi la Africa Dzonga. So shitenjani?
Okay. Like I have 27 years of working experience. I think he age as someone. Really? Okay, I started working at a very young age. I think I was 19 because I was a company student. Where we were recruited by Telco back then, and then bata iteka as the student, and then nyanyatira light current, though I was doing heavy current at
that time.
Yes, I was only 19, and then even fikantira I was registered. I still remember lembera kona nyakoma 20 years banteka permanent manje kur I've graduated, and then 20 years, and then Ningena at Telcom, and I worked for Telcom for 13 years.
Okay.
Yeah, as a technician. Nkandira a switch barin switching like the telephone kurtitiranjani, why kuma network from, you know, your phone. So I was responsible to configure software configuration.
Dangerous person.
Yeah,
so I can hack my phone.
Yes, I can still, you know, when they introduced Vodacom, MTN, I was the one who was giving the links, you know, for the network and Terela Power Pack, and then I'll do those projects. Yes. And then the whole of Soweto, I know it in and out with the exchanges, telephone exchanges, and by then it was a pride because, like, I refuse banonyani laba itikiwa in that industry. Kuribata ibona ingena imbali uniform with the cap, nice cap, like that telecommunication company are strong. So yeah, and then after that, and then lokusen kankula, I think it was after 13 years, and then I applied at ESCOM, and then that's where I was employed at telecommunication sector.
Section.
Yes,
Ah.
where now they want to route all their phones internally, and then ani specialize ko configure na kona software. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but later I been bona no, I must grow. I think I've exhausted my stake as so networking and stuff like that. And then even song like I went to Wits University and studied project management, and then I did quality management, and then immediately linga say woman at the results, then I was appointed as a project. Yes, Koswane. So yeah, Koswane lesuya, because I'm not comfortable nina diploma and then electrical engineering. So what? And then so apply like any approach the company leti kulu kuma kurubona po Vodacom. They know there's this lady utiba network at Telkom, but like abalaban niyatira kulo so far so but ukuma kuri mina I'm comfortable where I am, you know. So and then fast forward ikuba nikumentiro a distribution sector where they're dealing with projects, and then at first I was a financial controller at the project, and then nisubona kur ntiro wa office I'm not good within 3 months. Not 3 months, 3 weeks. By takun appoint that project management division. Ebenoko, no, this is not me. I just want to go outside and see what they do outside. So now I'm responsible for Gorilokuku Aqua Switch substation. I must audit from the ground. You know, when it starts. I'm on construction, and believe you me, I love what I'm doing. I work with passion. It's so amazing.
Nice one, guys. Look, ma ku join la Nkanelo Gingirikani tsama kahle na mama AGGY vera va landela rin'wana egg. The reason ku man khulu mina I akuri Agnes, may so rest in peace. So look, muku ngwe egg, so it reminds me, and she was also a very powerful woman as well. So clearly kuna swin'wana about this name, right? Agnes.
The Rough Rider nyana.
Yeah. So
I knew that.
I think Nankancho be the that cleavage, guys. Look at subscriber. Please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you are new to the channel, hit that notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. Don't be left behind. We are here. Now, so Mama AGGY, you were at working, and then now me man my bed. How did that come about? Makayam Jolo.
Jolo pela kale unyisa nem. Yeah, I met my husband, my handsome husband. He's very handsome. I love my husband.
I won't say it.
It's so amazing. So yeah, my husband actually we like saw me from the younger age, from the tender age, because manina mana yena abashapsa amajumble ceiling kwabo. So yes. From boutique to boutique. So yeah, and then we had neighbors, Kurban Bakakosa, and then like Antaku, it's one family because nothing separate us. Banbaka Baluina, Banbaka Kosa. Akurana gate, special gate, Shakungena. Yes,
I know that.
Yes, so it was so amazing. But ibi yena akumaku uranda kutala next door, ka boot. Lantaku is someone like may his soul rest in peace. And then but the next door, but say one bona man kursinget in tili nyana. And yeah, and then we start like inquiring, what's happening in. hayi wa swi tiva timhaka ta majita hayi u nga xi tshuneleli n'wana wa le
Very
dladleni
protective,
very
kasi hayi, we have
protective
to go
hayi kasi mina se
down at the
hayi
right.
mina ni vone like this handsome man na mina loko a ni make sure ku ri ni va ni hlambile mhaka ku ri anytime he can rock
Makohlamba guys,
isikakulu ba ni hlambile nampundla I'm wearing my shorts I'm wearing ni tote gobo ya mina ni kha ni shayina noku you know and it was so amazing and immediately he spotted me and then asungula ku ri we must exchange books and then reading and then stuff like that and then yeah the rest is history.
And talking about reading, when we actually came inside this house, Mr. Mabedle was sitting where she's seated right now. He was actually reading a book. Interesting. And can I talk about your daughter, Kulan? Am I allowed?
No, it's fine.
You guys don't know this. I discovered today that kahle, if you think Mama Eggy is loud or Mama Eggy tatarukin or something like that, I can't find the right word. You even met Kulan. Yo, that girl. And Kulani lokungena tankuma come kahle kasi loko se asungula ku vulavula swi ku the way she speaks to her dad. I'm like, guys, what's happening? I thought Mama Eggy is worse. Kulani.
Yes, you know we I think free spirit in this family. We are allowed to say anything. And ukumakulan akara tiza papa
Yes.
papa mjolo utakunyisa usiteba akbanonyani balaba mali balaba mali banonyani so that we'll talk about that we'll laugh and then
Yes.
yeah and it's so amazing how she has grown you know it touches my heart to see her the way she is now. She's a big girl. She's my friend today. Yeah, it was difficult. It was not easy. We struggled. We struggled.
How did you struggle?
Like it was difficult for us to conceive, and then yeah, the complications, kumati ectopic, and then we also opted for IVF, and then that's where like it fails. First time it failed, and then the second one, like I conceived, and then we're talking about money when you're doing that. So akurinje, you know what? After I was labeled because I think I was 29
at that time.
And then yeah, you know when nyaka society ngwani when they
Very
see you judgmental,
very,
anga
yeah.
bebuli inyumba like inini, and it was showing remain and struggler because my husband had kids from the previous relationships, and then he has 2 beautiful daughters, and then the son, my son Butomi. Yo,
And you always talk about him.
Yo, I love him.
So you actually you're not the biological mother
of Butomi.
Of Butomi.
No, I'm the stepmother.
I did not know. Okay, I didn't want to use the word stepmother because it has a connotation.
Yes.
Because you are the mother. Yeah.
Nimantsongo,
Mara, you speak about him as if he's your
yes,
biological son.
I raised him.
Oh.
Yeah, I raised him. When he came, I think he was 10 when we started staying together.
Okay, unfortunately, look,
no, he has his own place. Yes, yeah.
I want to
he's married.
Back
No, he's married already. Ninangwingi so sungatetani. And then ahlongola mina loku n'wana loku sai a ku 21 u hakela rent la.
Yeah. No, I'm sorry. I want to take you back to that process, Loco, when you were trying to conceive. It took you how long until you...
I think we've been, 4 years.
Sure.
With, because anmita kumakura ngatsama kahle ectopic, I'll collapse on the, driveway and then try again, you know. It's hectic. I don't even want to... You know, I had 7 operations before I got Kulani. 7. I'm not talking about
I don't know how it feels, so I can't even imagine.
Na loka ba ku loko jashokare utalishwane we actually, until my mom said kamina Eggy relax loko nkuma n'wina ni tshame 10 years nga mi kumi but after that, so aba ala kuri maybe ta yanga ngenu ya damori yini she wanted the scientific way of me conceiving.
What did you learn from that process?
It's being patient with each other, and then not pressurizing like couples, more especially young couples. Kuri why minga kumi ngwana, because you don't know what they are struggling about. And kuma kuri what I've learned kuri auta kuma sometimes people are visiting. Na loko ningari na pressure apkatin zamina when people visit. Naso sawuse kuma ngwana yini was to says it's like as if indlela nibale tight obogati. But it was hurting by the time. Yes, it was hurting because it's so sensitive. There's no way you can speak about people not having their kids because you don't know what they're going through. Like you don't know what like miscarriages they had. You don't know how many ectopics they. So I know each and every like trials that go conceive. And it's so when it's actually when I see Kulani and say, wow, God, I never thought I'll be so blessed. I'm not blessed because of but the gift of life that you trusted me with. It's so amazing. Because,
I don't want to cry on your behalf. Because I cry anything. My tears are just right here.
Yeah.
So, but is that the reason why when she went to varsity and then you bought her a car?
Yes.
Or she passed her matric, something like that? What happened there? Please just clarify what was that about.
Okay, during last year it was a difficult year of our lives. Like everyone was experiencing difficulty being because of the COVID-19. And then she was expelled at school for being naughty.
For being naughty?
Yes, for being naughty.
Like, you see, I told you guys, Cherine.
Yeah, she was in boarding school at Bloemfontein, and then she wrote a car, your teacher, like wash me, blah blah blah.
That everyone does that though.
Yes, but because it's a Christian school,
everyone does that.
Yes, but because it's a Christian school, they didn't allow it, and then she was suspended for 30 days, and then that was a week before the exams. So she had to go back to school. She had to go out of the hostel and then be a day scholar. And we don't know anyone in Bloemfontein. She had to go to the hotel and then stay there. So we started talking to her, motivating her. I still remember we were sitting in the table, and then we said like, Kulani, I think we spoke at the same time, and we didn't discuss this with Mr. Mabedle and say, Kulani baby, if you can pass, please promise we're going to buy you a car, but we want 4 distinctions, And then she said, trust me, I'm going to pass. And it's a week before she go into the exams. And then the rest is history. And then difficult as it was when she wrote, I was constantly stressing, asking kuliwa hlaya na, because she was now free at the hotel. No one angada was to say so, but I ashkolweni. And then it happened kuri loku the results tifika, and then ibula na papa yena kuri so what, and uyingu promise ingari na mali yaleyo ya kuri hitamshabela mova. And then wow, God is great. That night I started shaking. Look back the results home. I started constantly going to the bathroom, having a running tummy, and said, I don't want anything to happen to her, because you don't know. They commit suicide, and then they think they disappointed the parents,
True.
But we were like trying to assure her, no, you'll go and supplement if I will issue. No, mama, relax and pasile, And indeed, when the results came, she came with 2 distinctions.
Wow.
And then on maths, because
mathematics, I didn't learn
and then she did very well. And then in the morning, ivela ipfuka ifamba na Mr. Mabedle and say, we're buying her car, and then we just bought, and then ngulanda nanhlikani as if we're going to shop around for. We said, "Do you remember that promise? We just want to see what I go nyana kuri njani, but already I say yendli." So yeah, we bought her a nice, beautiful car, a Starlet. Yeah.
Nice one.
So it was a huge surprise.
Shakala ku vatswari va endlela vana n'wana wa vona swa kahle hi ndlela leyi, especially mi kuma ku wa hanya hakanyingi vanhu vo tala va khensiwa se va, so it's good. Well done for being a good parent. So hi tshame kahle mama Eggy. La ku na mama Eggy leswi va nga duma hi swona Facebook, Njolo, live videos. La ku na vona hi swona mara social download so na vona hi swona ka part 2 ya hina. Loko mi la ku vona swona ku mama Eggy va ta hi byela yini hi timhaka ta Facebook ta vona, ti attack, all these things that she's gone through. Na mindlo ikona like you ku mindlo nga really. So itaibeka la. So you watch next the next video, which is part 2 of this interview na mama Eggy kunga AGGY MABEDLHE ka Nkanelo Gingirikani na mina Mandla Gingirikani ka mashava. Loko mina le gere ni kan guys doros kutsolo ke nyora test totora. Salut mina titimeli hlangana na mina ka the next video, part 2 ya mama AGGY MABEDLHE ya landzela. Salut guys doros mina titimeli kwala na mindlu ikona la buske ta glowa na mina la ku glowa nyana mama AGGY na mina
taktekela glowa.